WUSA9 Weather Watch Alert is sponsored by Morgan & Morgan.
Well, we've got heavy rain on the way, especially tonight, along with gusty winds, even some fog to start. No shortage of active weather today, which is why we are under a weather watch alert. I'm Mary Marshall, the WUSA9 Weather Watch Center. We are watching out for this system coming off the Gulf of Mexico. It's now moved mostly through Florida and is moving up the eastern seaboard. As it does, it is going to strengthen and really increase our chances for rain and for gusty winds. So around the Roanoke area, some light showers are falling. Around Charlottesville, we've got light showers there as well. In Metro DC, still relatively dry for now, but we'll see those showers catching up to us in the next few hours. You may notice some dense fog out there. That will be with us for at least the next 2 to 3 hours, so do be careful of that. Here's a timeline for how everything will pan out. Between now and 11 a.m., expect some isolated showers here and there, but there will be some dry spots as well. From noon until 6 p.m., that is when we'll see more showers coming in. By 3 p.m., everybody's getting some drops. Tonight is when we get the bigger impacts. After 7 p.m., heavier rain rolls in, with the heaviest rain between 8 o'clock this evening until 4 a.m. on Monday. Keep in mind, when it's all said and done, we're going to pick up on 1 to 3 inches of rain. Winds will gust as strong as 30 to 40 miles per hour, especially after about 11 o'clock tonight through the first half of Monday, and flooding will be possible as well, along with coastal flooding. Here is Futurecast showing the timeline. 11 o'clock this morning, you can see some hit or miss showers. Around Fredericksburg, you've got those showers starting first because they will be closer to the system as it comes in. 12:30, we've got light showers pushing into the area. By 3 o'clock, everyone's seeing some rain. By 6 o'clock, we start to see more areas of moderate rain widespread across the region. And then as we get to 8 p.m., we can see more areas picking up on that heavy rain. And we're just getting hit really hard around the 9 and 10 and 11 o'clock hours. You see that red and that orange color right there. That's the indication of the really intense rain that will be falling across the region. At the same time, winds will pick up here as well. We advance the clock to 4 a.m. and that's going to be the tail end of the heaviest rain. Those showers will gradually lighten up, but the winds will still be going strong. And so there'll still be some showers left over for your morning commute. By 10:30 tomorrow morning, the rain pushes out and we are left behind with breezy winds, and temperatures will fall throughout the day. We may start off Monday in the 50s. By the end of the day, we will be in the 40s once again. Now, late Monday night into Tuesday morning, we could see an isolated shower pop up as another disturbance passes by. We will get some snow over the mountains where they could pick up several inches of snow, but for Metro DC, I don't really see that happening for us. So let's talk about the rest of your day. You'll notice temperatures in the 50s by 1 o'clock, 55 by 5 p.m. and right around 55 by 7 o'clock. Raindrops going on all of those hours. It is going to be a long day of rain once it finally starts. We will be under a flood watch starting at about 6 o'clock this evening. Remember, the bigger impacts are going to be Sunday night. This is the time frame that you'll be looking at picking up on the potential for flooding, and that flood watch will go until about 6 a.m. on Monday. Coastal flooding will be a big concern with us. Remember, those easterly winds are going to be quite strong. So around the Anne Arundel County area, D.C., Waldorf, and La Plata, we have coastal flood advisories. For Mechanicsville, we also have a coastal flood warning in that area. Look for the tides to be about 1 to 3 feet above normal as this system passes by. Weather watch alert. Here's what we're looking out for. High risk for some wind to pick up and perhaps cause some issues for us. Flooding chance is going to be rather moderate to high. Storm chance is low. We could see an isolated storm pop up here and there, but rain and heavy rain is going to be the bigger concern. It's going to lead to wet roads. That could slow down travel. Even if you're flying, I suggest that you check with your airlines because there could be some delays from New York to D.C. To Philadelphia. Baltimore areas will all potentially see some delays for air travel this evening and tonight. But we've got 50s DC, 50s in New York, Charleston 55, 60 in Norfolk with rain. The same system that's going to be impacting us will impact them. Look for rain around Cleveland and Cincinnati, 44 Chicago and dry, 48 St. Louis. A few showers in New Orleans. It's dry in Dallas and Houston, so Texas dries out. On the West Coast, a few showers pushing into San Francisco, 75 in Los Angeles under partly cloudy skies. Now we'll also have, and when you look in the western half of our viewing area along Oakland and Davis, this is where you're going to pick up on the measurable snow. We're talking potentially 6 inches or more, which is why those areas will be under a winter storm watch that's going to start Monday evening through Tuesday morning. So we'll be watching out for that for those areas. And if your travels take you there, you want to keep that in mind. Monday, the big story is going to be falling temperatures with breezy winds, gusts still up to 40 miles per hour on Monday. And as we look Monday throughout the day, again, temperatures starting in the 50s but ending in the 40s by the end of the day. And eventually, after about 4 o'clock, those winds will get a bit lighter. Your 7-day forecast, 50s today, 50s to start tomorrow. And then Tuesday, coldest day of the week, chilly with the high around 40. We're at 44 on Wednesday, back up to 50 by Thursday. And Thursday night, we'll start winter. 48 Friday, upper 40s on Saturday under partly cloudy skies. We'll leave you now with a look at the weather ahead for the rest of the day.